Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix your browser is managed by your organization issue on Chrome. First of all, you have to look for a Chrome // flags and search show managed. And after you see this option, show managed UI for managed users, you have to disable. You have to put this option on disabled, and after that your Chrome will no longer belong to the organization. So that's it guys. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please leave me your like and subscribe also, and see you next video guys. Ciao ciao.